guys might be wondering why I'm doing push-up right now in the video, because this my channel is all about education, book reviews, mindset and stuff, and especially on Sunday where I share about mindset stuff, skills that will help you enhance your productivity. So let me tell you the reason why I'm doing push-up. The reason being I wanted to strengthen my core, the body. And this might sound funny, but this is what it is. But I don't want to make this a fitness video. And if you want, I can make that as well. But let me share with you my intent behind doing it. Like, if we want to strengthen our physical being, we do workouts, we do yoga. But what we need to do to strengthen our mind so that our mind becomes strong and we can do multiple stuff, like we can analyze things in a better way, we can understand things at a one go, we can memorize certain things for a certain period of time for that particular stuff or particular project if you're working. So don't you think that would be amazing? So hello everyone, Pranav here, welcome back to my channel. Mera namaste आप सभी को. How are you doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. So today I'm going to share with you two tips which I personally follow every single day to enhance my mind strength, memory strength, so that I can do things in a better way, understand in a certain way, so that I have an upper hand. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So, as Jim Quick says, there is nothing called good memory or bad memory. There is something called trained memory or untrained memory. So, how can you improve this? Like, let me tell you the first tip, which I follow every single day just by doing it for 15 minutes a day. Now I've stretched to 30 minutes, but it's a good way to start with 15 minutes. By the way, I am a right-hander, so I do maximum of the things using my right hand. So what I did was I started shifting doing things with my left hand. So I started to brush my with my left hand. I started writing with my left hand. Like I used to practice alphabets A B C D. Just imagine numbers 1 to 10. I started doing that. Why I did that? Like by doing with the right hand, my mind is programmed and is being comforted doing those things with my right hand. And he knows he yes, this is how it's done. But the day I started shifting from my left hand, it started to regain more focus. Like he's more focused and more alert while writing because I'm not used to using this hand. So this triggers in our mind that how can we do with left hand now? How can I do with left hand now? By doing a simple exercise, what happened is I was able to focus more, concentrate more, understand more at any given point of time. Like there are many distractions also which we go through during our day. Our phone is there, notifications comes up and just we swipe up and see what is happening. And there are television, there is our environment, home. But distraction is there because of the family is there. They will do their things. But how to focus on that condition? The focus comes when you start shifting things in a different way. Start doing things in a different way. This is what I call a pattern interrupt for our mind. And it's important. You can try this out and see what results you get. And do let me know in the comment section after you try this one. Just do it for 15 minutes a day. I'm not asking you to put half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hour. Because it's important to be consistent as well. 15 minutes a day, it's more than enough to get started. And start with like what I did was I chose 5 letters like A, B, C, D, E. I practiced that in one day and then shift. So that's how I started using my left hand stuff. So this is the first tip. So what is the second tip? Second tip is one of my favorite, and yes, this is something which has changed my life because in 2016, I hope that you don't mind if I share about a little bit of my story regarding this. The tip which I call is mental gymnasium. Like I'm really grateful to this mentor who was teaching me about CAT, about mathematics, about English, about logical reasoning for preparation of my MBA entrance. And he shared a little, very powerful thing. He told, just follow this a 1 hour a day, and you will see your life changing. And it really did because in second year, while I was in second year, I hadn't studied a thing, single thing, and it was only 25 days left, and I'm really letting you guys know that there is not even 1% of exaggeration I'm doing. I scored 73%. I was among top 5 in my college. Just imagine. Didn't study anything for a year, 25 days of studies, and then it happened. How did this happen? Like, the principle of mental gymnasium is pretty simple. Is that what you need to do is you take a book, you take a newspaper, you take anything you want, like whatever you read, you feel like reading, and makes you joyful. Take that thing, and I want you to read one line only at once. Read one line once, and then write it down in a paper without looking at it again. Then read the second line and then read it again. And after you are done with, after 45 minutes, last 15 minutes should go to analyzing stuff. Like, what are the things you missed out? What do you missed out? And then write it down again. Fill those gaps where you missed out. And you will write exactly what you have read. You will not going to use your mind and brain, that you will write what you have understood. Start with one line and then start with paragraphs, then two paragraphs, then whole page. Like, by grace of God, like, because of this practice, I've been able to do it for like more than 75% of a page of an A4 sheet, like at a one go. So I'm really privileged to share this with you, that this has worked wonders for me. I'm not nowhere like completing a page or something. It's just only 75%, but still I'm happy. Even that has made a lot of difference in my life in 1 year of practicing that. And by the way, guys, like in 2016, I did it for 6 7 months because of the course and the pressure my mentor put in. After that, I had a break of 2 years almost. Till 2019, I didn't do anything. Like 2017 January is where I continued, and then I stopped because I thought that will be enough. But this was not the fact. I lost all the control. I lost all my memory because that was only for a shorter period of time, because I was not used to doing that. It's important to be consistent in whatever you are doing. Be consistent, and within 1 year, and I can see the difference happening in my life. So this is what I wanted to share with you. And one more thing before I end this video. That thing was, don't look back. Don't look back, which I means, well, after you read a sentence, it's okay. You read slowly or fast, doesn't matter. Read through it and write it down. It doesn't matter if you are forgetting things, forgetting words, or what you say, punctuations and stuff. That's completely okay. It will happen over the period of time. You will get used to it, and your mind will be like, yes, now you're strengthening your mind as well. So I want you to keep this thing into account. So this is pretty much about the video, guys, and I hope that you like the video, and I want you to encourage as well to do physical activity because of the virus which is spreading. It's important to have some physical conditioning as well. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching my video and tuning in today. I hope that I was able to add value. If you guys feel the same, then do like this video, share it with your friends, and do let me know in the comment section where you guys are tuning in from. And also let me know if these tips were valuable to you or not. And I'll see you next week again with a smashing track. I hope that you will like the track, because that track has really changed my life, which is coming up next week Sunday soon. And yeah, this is pretty much about for now. I'll sign off, and मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी को.